Hey guys, we're back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get audio back from your PS4 because I just recently had this problem and then I figured it out. So today I'm going to be showing you guys on your PS4 by BTW. Alright, so you click the home button, you hold the home button. Oh my, hold on guys, I'm sorry, it's about to die. My controller about to die. Alright, so you go to power and then you click restart PS4. That one down there, restart PS4. And then once it's loaded, then if it's still not working, go to settings, go to sound and screen, go to video output, go to resolution, and then click on any of those. I prefer 1080p or automatic. And yeah, that should be it. And then you should get your audio back or sound. Alright, please like, subscribe, and comment down below.